Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. Most importantly, please hit that subscribe button. So this live stream is going to focus on multiplying fractions. Our first example problem is 2/4 times 3/7, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So the difference between multiplying fractions and adding subtracting fractions is that the denominator, the bottom number, actually does change. Whether the denominator is the same or not, it will change. So step 1, we multiply our numerators. 2 times 3 equals 6. Step 2, we multiply our denominators. So 4 times 7 equals 28, and we have our answer, 2/4 times 3/7 equals 6/28. Now that can be reduced, but reducing fractions to lowest terms, I'm going to make that its own video. I'll probably do another live stream where I reduced some of these answers to lowest terms. But for this live stream, we're going to leave that as the final answer. All right, now we have 1/4 times 2/5. So step 1, we multiply our numerators. 1 times 2 equals 2. Next, we multiply our denominators. 4 times 5 equals 20. And we have our answer, 1/4 times 2/5 equals 2/20. All right, moving on to the next example. All right, 3/5 times 2/5. 3 times 2 equals 6. 5 times 5 equals 25. And we have our answer, 3/5 times 2/5 equals 6/25. Now, if this was an addition or subtraction problem, if we were adding or subtracting fractions, we would keep the denominator the same. But for multiplying fractions, it's different. For multiplying fractions, what you do to the top numbers, you also have to do to the bottom numbers. All right, next example. All right, we have 4/7 times 1/2. 4 times 1 equals 4. 7 times 2 equals 14. And we have our final answer, 4/7 times 1/2 equals 4/14. All right, we will probably do about 3 more examples before we call it a video. So we now have 2/8 times 5/9. 2 times 5 equals 10. 8 times 9 equals 72. We have our final answer, 2/8 times 5/9 equals 10/72. All right, next example. All right, 1/5 times 3/6. 1 times 3 equals 3. 5 times 6 equals 30. And we have our final answer, 1/5 times 3/6 equals 3/30. All right, next example problem. Three tenths times 5/8. 3 times 5 equals 15. 10 times 8 equals 80. And we have our final answer. 3 tenths times 5/8 equals 15/80. All right, moving on to what will perhaps be the final problem of the video. So we have 7/9 times 5/9. 7 times 5 equals 35. 9 times 9 equals 81. We have our final answer. 7/9 times 5/9 equals 35/81. 35 over 81, whichever way you want to say it. All right, that is my live stream for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video, and if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments. Now we'll do a future video on that skill. And on that note, God is good, Christ is King, and I will see you all on the next video.